Hello YouTube, welcome to Nomad. Coding is a hot topic nowadays and everyone wants to get involved programming the future. Well, there are a lot of people out there who have little or no idea about programming or how do they work. Well, if you are someone, then you have come to the right place. I will help you walk through step by step with everything related to the coding so that you can get your hands on with the every coding experience and even get started and get up your own job. With the worldwide shortage of coder, it's more important than ever. With the increasing demand and the increasing job prospect with a high salary for the coders, everyone wants to get the technology automated. So let's get started and let's automate the future.
The first question you should ask yourself is why learn coding? Well, learning coding empowers you to do so many things that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise. These things include handicrafting your own website, becoming a career coder, or even starting a technological business. Most importantly, you will be able to understand how technology is shaping the world. And you will undoubtedly heard or read someone that everybody needs to learn coding. Well, people say that for a reason. If you are looking for a career in the industry, starting a new hobby, or just wanting to understand technology, you can benefit from learning coding. Here are the something that you can empower to learn coding. Making your own website. Well, it's incredible to think how world has changed in 1991 when the first World Web was started. The web has taken our lives and it's showing no signs of stopping. Who knows where web will take us in future? Perhaps in another century, 10 years away, a person will have their own website. Well, it's one kind of certain that website will be valuable to everyone. If you own a business, web presence is the must. If you don't, then you still want to have personal website or even a website to showcase your skills. Well, of course, you need to have the ability to maintain and create a website, and for that, you will need to learn HTML or CSS, a code that all websites run on. The second thing that one can do is becoming a career coder. Looking for career change? The humble quiet program is possibly the most underrated profession out there. The demand for coders exceeds supply, so you will have no troubles finding a job. In fact, it is projected to grow at 30% at a rate between 2010 to 2020, and that has been twice more as fast as most of the jobs. And due to the supply of coders, and the pay is quite attractive. For example, Google and Facebook employees get a staggering salary of $125,000 per year. Next thing can be starting a business. Let's say if you got an idea or for a web business or anything, you want to create the next Facebook, but let's say you're in short of cash and you are not able to hire your own team. Then what will you do? Why not learning to code your own website and starting your own business? Well, it's the path that most entrepreneurs choose to do, and building the product yourself. Hence, one of the most famous kind of business that you can start with is selling software, selling the mobile economics, e-commerce, or selling your own coding time. And there are a lot more. So if you do not have a product idea, so there is no time to waste, and hence you can learn to code and realize your product and thereby make the source code for your own product and get your business started. Next thing is understanding how the computers work. Well, biggest benefit is that no matter what you are or why you're interested in coding, you will want to know that how is technology working. After all, you use the internet, mobile phone, software, or computers. Isn't it a bit strange that you don't fully understand how technologies work? Well, a great video by Douglas Rushkoff explains well in the situation. I'll leave the link in the description. so that you can visit and go through. If you are still not convinced, why should you learn through coding? Well, you may even decide to write your own script and perform routine tasks like sending emails and even automating your daily life. Let's say understanding software and coding is definitely valuable to you and thereby can be useful for your future and your work of life. So in the next video, we will come to know about what language we should start with and what are the language out there in our world in which we can code and thereby use it for developing various applications.